Today, beautiful Carmel, California. Did a few things for the homeowner here. We replaced his existing door king with a Cellgate W410. Takes a picture anytime someone calls him. Adds it to his login porthole on his login on his computer. And we redid his gate system here. Took out some old hydraulic units and installed LiftMaster's LA 400s. I'm gonna open the gates here for you. And I'm gonna close the gates. Reused his old existing control box housing and retrofitted it for the LA 400 control board and other goodies in there. Open the gates again here for you. And that'll close. And there you have it, folks. Another satisfied customer here today in Carmel, California. For any of your gates needs, call West Coast Door and Gates today in San Jose and Morgan Hill, and now in Monterey.